What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I came back with a treat. Today I'm shooting with Miss
Ludena.
We're gonna be doing some bikinis today, but obviously on the beach. You can see the weather is not the greatest, but we're gonna make it work. We have about 5 looks that we're about to get through, and yeah, we're just gonna get straight to shooting. And vamos Ecuador?
Vamos Ecuador.
Haiti's eliminated, but hey, we made it, alright?
Go Haiti too.
Exactly. I'll be there tomorrow. And we are shooting. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2. Perfect. Early in the morning, we're getting a photo shoot in with Miss Issa. We haven't shot in so long, and we've never shot at the beach. So right now, we are getting some bikini shots in for a brand that she is working for, or working with. And you guys already know, we don't have to do anything when it comes to Issa. She just knows how to pose. It's easiest working with Issa. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's try one from up top with the water. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Two. Perfect. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. This looks beautiful.
Yeah. 1. Perfect. 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 And then just walk, yep. Yeah. One. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Detail. 3, 2, 1. Then turn this way. Yeah, like that. Gonna get some. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1.
Yo, spotted a dime at the corner of my eye. She got enough man on the line, back just poking like a knife. Think she tryna get my line, even with the angel eyes. Maybe I'm hypnotized, but why am I thinking twice? Yo.
Perfect. 3, 2. Amazing. Gonna go back this way. 1. Yes, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1, and we got that. Let me move it. Yeah, now I can see you. One. Perfect. Amazing. Perfect. And then, yep, stay just like that, same pose. And then I'll tell you, and then you can look back. 3. Nope, the same thing, and then I'll tell you, and then you just look, and then turn back to me. 3, 2, 1. And then look, yep, and then look back. Perfect. Amazing. And we are good. Nice. Perfect. Three, 2, perfect. 3, 2, 1, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Let's try here. Perfect. And then got it.
Super fast.
Easy. Two, 1. Perfect. Three, 2, 1, 1. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Let me try one over here. Perfect. And 1. Three, 2, 1.
Like you can do close like
Yeah.
this.
3, 2, 1.
And then the box.
Perfect.